Okay, since this power supply I had from a 64 is, 35 years old, decided I wasn't going to trust it since it's been sitting out in the barn before I got it. So anyways, I went on Amazon and ordered a replacement power supply, which ended up coming from Poland, which I am now doing the dreaded unboxing. And basically this is the first time I'm seeing it and trying it out, so hopefully all goes well. And I ordered this, and they basically made it to order, and so it took a bit longer than the estimated delivery date on Amazon, but here it is anyway. So as you can see, it came from a small company called Keelog, who makes a number of power supplies for 64 and 128 and so on. And they even have one for the 1541-2 or 1571, etc. So anyways, here goes. As you can see, it's a 3D printed case and usual power connectors. So anyways, it looks like this. I don't know if this front panel lights up or not, but we'll soon see. So back in a minute after I've hooked this up. Okay, I got it all hooked up, and hopefully you can see on the camera's picking it up. This little logo here does light up a white color, probably an LED. So this, and as you can see, hopefully see on the camera, the computer has in fact turned on and is working fine. So I'll put a link in the description below for where I got the power supply from, in case you need one. Here's another neat little thing that I picked up in the which I showed briefly in the previous video. It's a new joystick with the standard DB9 connector, which should work on the 64. You can hopefully see that it's Hyperkin, which they make those Retron replica game consoles with modern components. And it's supposed to have a 10-foot cable, and I'd certainly believe that, so I'm going to give that one a bit of a try here too. Okay, just going to give it a bit of a quick test here with this very well worn pit stop cartridge, which I got in the same barn sale, literally a barn, a few weeks ago with this 64 that I've been setting up. So here goes. And here we go. Oh, and as you probably noticed, the two buttons, these are basically the same action button or fire button they used to have on the old Atari joysticks. They just made it for left or right-handed people, so if you're a lefty, you're in luck. I guess we'll try Le Mans this time. Hopefully I don't crash. I haven't played this in years. And hopefully this camera's picking up the monitor okay. This is the first time I've tried it this way, so Hopefully you can see what's going on. And of course, after I leave the pit stop, I realized I needed to change a tire. Yeah, you can tell I haven't played this in a long time. I'm not very good at it. Okay, well, it works okay. Actually, it works fairly well, and if you're into the old style Atari joysticks, this is, I'm thinking it's pretty good. So, anyways, until next time, see you later.